Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have another FPV crate. This is for the month of November. Let's talk about subscribing. If you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. I'd say about 80% of my viewers are not subscribers. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little subscription button down at the bottom of the box here. Go ahead and click on that. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or anything you want to share with me, please put it in the description below. If you want to help me out, please check out my Patreon page. That'll get you access to my Discord server and direct access to me for help, troubleshooting, whatever you want to do. All right, guys, FPV crate for the month of November from GetFPV. Let's take a look. Box is different this time. It's a little different than before. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. All right. Again, here is the typical thank you card. A bunch of stickers, booster, never disarm. These are pretty cool looking stickers. I like these. They're a real glossy, heavyweight sticker. Packaging is a little different than usual. All right, what do we have here? First things first. This is a, looks like a keychain that says, it's the FPV Crate logo, but it's all like solder pads. Probably a neat little practice solder board. I'm not really sure what the purpose of that is. Let's see. Second item. Looks like a little mini race gate. Pop this guy open and see what we got here. So we've got, cool, a little micro whip race gate. This is really nice. Really nice looking little gate. It is, I would tell you how big it was if I had my tape. Oh, there it is. So the inner diameter is, it's about 16-inch gate, so it's pretty much the normal size race gate, and it folds up real quick. It just has some of those like lipo strap looking things to hold it in place. Pretty cool. I like that. I do a lot of micro racing, you know, just by myself in my own home, but another gate is always appreciated, and there's some little sticky pads for hanging it from things. Pretty cool. I like that. Let's see, we have a t-shirt, and it's that same logo that was on the sticker. Pretty cool looking shirt. It's not black like every other drone related t-shirt I've ever seen, so that's a welcome change. And what do we got here? So we have 4 motors. Let's see, I assume these are motors. So, ooh, these are pretty sweet looking. So these are booster. Kind of look like blaster motors if you ask me. Booster 2207, 2500 kV. So that's a crying shame because pretty much everybody's going to 6S. These are definitely 4S style motors. So yeah, they look a lot like blaster motors. A pretty wicked air gap on there. They're smooth, not super notchy or anything like that. So pretty cool. 3 to 4S rated. Yeah, I don't know. GetFPV, you really screwed up on this one. These should be 6S rated motors, but I guess you could do throttle percentage scaling in Betaflight and kind of run these on 6S if you wanted to. So, I mean, you know, motors are motors. You can always use them. So we get 4 of those motors, and you get a coupon code for 5% off. I don't know, this is very disappointing. All right, so here's this month. Let's see, 4 motors, $72. Okay, Google. What's 72 divided by 4?
The answer is 18.
So $18 a piece motors. Yeah, I don't know about that. $8 race gate. That's cool. $18 t-shirt. Yep. Soldering practice keychain. Sticker sheet. $102. Yeah, this crate was a, I don't know. This was pretty disappointed with this one. I don't know why you would keep sending out 3 4S motors pretty much or why you would send out 3 or 4S motors, basically 4S motors, high kV motors. I don't know. I've got no use for these. I'll probably run them on 6S and see how well they hold up. I don't know, do these come with a warranty or anything like that? Yeah, so all in all, I'd have to say November was a total bust. This is not a great crate. I am not too pleased with it. 50 of my hard-earned dollars for, I don't know. I mean, I guess I like the whoop gate and the t-shirt, but I don't know. Motors are kind of, yeah, not interested in the motors one bit whatsoever. Too high a kV. 2207 size, that'd be fine. Make them like a 17800 kV motor. Yeah, I'd be all about it. But the industry's moved away from 4S. You know, they're obviously just trying to clear out some old stock. If these were trying to rip off Blasters at least have a you crash it, break it, we'll replace it warranty. I don't see anything about booster motors anywhere. So anyways, well, you win this time, GetFPV. So far you've been pretty good. This time, yeah. All right, big thumbs down. No thanks. See ya.